I got a FundedNext payout in 11 trading days using a bot. In this video, I will show you how I did it and how long it really takes. It's not just passing a prop firm challenge, but earning a real payout into a real account.
First, I shared the idea with the community, and we decided to test it live.
I asked, should we run this on a 10K, 100K, or $200K account? 87% voted for a 10K instant funded account. So that's exactly what I did. I went to FundedNext, purchased the $10K instant funded account, and here's the dashboard, no trades running. Next step, I connected the Prop King bot. This is a bot specifically built for passing prop firm requirements and earning payouts within 30 trading days. Connection done, and immediately the bot started placing trades. Now the real question was, would it actually work? Would it hit payout? And how long would it take? We let it run, and in just 11 trading days, the job was done. Here's the payout certificate from FundedNext. Here's the dashboard showing trading activity. You can see the exact days traded, the profit generated, and the disbursement confirmation. Here's the full MT5 trade history from day 1 to day 11. And finally, here's the payout received. So yes, a trading bot can earn a payout from FundedNext. And in this case, it took just 11 trading days. Now the next question is, how do you do this yourself? And more importantly, how do you do it consistently? Here's where most traders get it wrong. They focus on passing challenges instead of focusing on payouts. For example, if you take a $100K two-step challenge and aim for 10 to 15%, that's $15,000 in virtual profit you never actually receive. Time spent, effort spent, but no real payout yet. Instead, the smarter approach is this. Start with instant funded accounts. Why? Because the goal is simple. Get paid first. Then scale. Imagine this. You get a $100K instant funded account for under $500 and target just 5% per month. That's $5,000. Not from your own capital, but from a structured system. Now, if you want access to the same bot used in this test, you can get it through the link below. Once you get access, you'll be assigned a dedicated bot manager to help you set it up properly. You'll also get recommended prop firms, setup guidance, and access to a community of traders using the same system. If you're serious about earning payouts, not just passing challenges, then get started below and let your results speak for you.